One step forward and another back.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to tackle this whole mess behind me and finally put away my Christmas decor. This is something that I've been wanting to do for several days now, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you find it motivating, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and let's go ahead and get right to it.
How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll let the one anyone knew. I was on the bed.
Well, happy 2022, you guys. This is my first video of the new year, and I hope it gives you lots of motivation today. I took down this Christmas decor way later than I normally would have. Jack and I were sick over the holidays, so I feel like this was probably taken down 4 or 5 days, you know, past when I ideally would have liked to have taken down all the Christmas decor. And for me, that's just because I put it up so early, like at the very end of November, and I just want it gone by the time Christmas is over. It's also really hard to do a deep clean when you have so much decor like this out. I can kind of like wipe around stuff, but I can't really get that good solid deep clean when there is just so much decor in the way. So not only did I want to take this down, but I did want to clean, so there will be some cleaning motivation at the end of this video after we do all of the undecorating. But let me know if you guys have undecorated yet for Christmas, or if you're still enjoying all of your decor.
When I pulled you in, felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never.
So I have got to recommend this ornament container for you guys. They probably sell them lots of places, so I'll try to link one in my description box. This one I happened to pick up at Walmart. I feel like it wasn't very expensive at all, but I'm sure they have some on Amazon as well. It's just a great way to organize your ornaments and keep them separated in different compartments so that they don't like clang together. I really wanted to get a second one of these because I store my ornaments, half of them in this and then the other half in the other bin that was sitting there on the couch. So I don't know, I may go and purchase another one next year, or maybe the best time to buy it would be when it's not Christmas time. So I'll do a little bit of looking, and I'll link a couple of options for you guys down below.
I need you, baby. I need you, baby. I was on the bed when you undressed, baby. When I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist.
So I would love to know what kind of videos you guys want to see from me in 2022, specifically maybe the first few months, as a lot of you guys are probably like me. You want to organize, declutter, just kind of like start fresh for the new year. I've already tackled a couple of spots in my house off camera, but if there's any decluttering or organizing or any kinds of cleaning motivation videos that you really want to see, then let me know in the comments, because I have so many different things that I would love to do, and I just want to know if you guys are interested in seeing them. So let me know your ideas down below.
Made to fall, stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with bliss, life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold, turning off the cruise control and taking on.
I've kind of thought about decorating for winter after Christmas, like leaving just a few things out that aren't like red and green, just so that it feels wintry still, especially because here in Virginia we get the majority of our snow and actual like winter weather in January and February. So I feel like it's kind of nice to leave some like wintry type decor out. I just don't have very much decor that's not like obviously Christmas and that doesn't scream Christmas. Let me know if you guys decorate for winter, or if you have like a theme that you leave out in your house until spring. Sometimes I'm just sick of the decor and I really like the minimal look until I decide to decorate for spring. I'll do like a couple things for Valentine's Day, but like nothing crazy. And this year I'm just kind of feeling like with all the snow that we've been getting and the fact that it's like bitterly cold for us in January, I want to have a little bit of like a wintry decor theme. So leave your ideas because I would love to hear them.
Cruise control and take the long way home. my best to breathe, but I do my best to breathe. Dreams of green and filled with this. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home? I'm going for the gold. Turning off the cruise control and take the long way home.
So I love my flocked garland, but after having the garland on the TV stand and on the mantle this year, it was such a pain to clean up. It was like flocking everywhere, and I know so many of you guys like flocked stuff too. You may even have a flocked tree. I feel like if we had a flocked tree, it would have been just the absolute worst. And because this rug that I have in here is so light, I feel like you can't see all the glitter and the flocking, but it really does show up on the dark hardwood floors. So honestly, it is such a mess to try to clean up, and you'll see at the end of the video I have to vacuum like meticulously to get everything all picked up, just glitter and flocking everywhere.
I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name.
I was really proud of myself this year. I was able to get all of my Christmas decor back into these 4 bins. So these 4 bins you can see here in this shot are the only 4 bins that I keep my Christmas decor in. Now obviously the tree and garland, or trees I guess I should say, since I have 3 trees, all the trees and the garland and stuff go in a separate thing, and I'll show you kind of how I store that in just a little bit. And then all of the outdoor Christmas decor goes in a separate bin as well. But I feel like I did a really good job of trying to consolidate everything into as few bins as possible, just because storage is so limited in this house, and I really wanted to be very strategic. And that was one of the decluttering projects that I did over Christmas break, is I tackled all of the bins that have my decor in the walk-in closet in my office, and I think I did a really good job of consolidating everything into as little bins as possible. I have 2 containers for fall decor, one giant one for spring and summer, and then of course Christmas is my favorite season and holiday to decorate for, so obviously I knew I would have a lot more bins with Christmas stuff, but I am pretty impressed with how I was able to Tetris everything into the closet. And I do wish I had more storage, but I feel like it keeps me from buying more decor because then I have to put it somewhere.
I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. He doesn't know my name.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it.
If you are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will leave my last video in my description box and up in the cards here so you guys can check it out if you are still in need of some cleaning motivation after this video. I did a 2-hour cleaning marathon of some of my most viewed cleaning videos from 2021, so it's 2 hours of cleaning motivation. If you have a lot left on your to-do list to tackle today, then definitely give that video a watch after this one.
Chewing my bones, and when he's done, he's spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us we can, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be 3 for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light.
just going to put the final things away in these bins so that I can get them out of my hair, and then we can finally start taking down the tree and all the garland. And I definitely needed Jack's help for that, just because I have this Christmas tree bag that I store everything in, and I bring it downstairs and then put everything in it, and then he has to haul it all the way back upstairs. And the bag actually lives in the attic, so I don't have to store it in a closet or anything, but it is just way too difficult and heavy for me to carry upstairs, so I did need a little bit of assistance with that.
Share my lipstick, taste my breath, and love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. One for the pain, no hesitation, took us we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you, I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing, not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you, I just wanna be around you. The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the
So that green bag there is the bag that I store all my Christmas trees and garland in, and it is the easiest way, honestly, to bring all the pieces down and set them up at one time. It keeps all of the flocking and pine needles from getting everywhere wherever you choose to store your trees and garland. So I really highly recommend getting one of these if you don't have one. I will leave one linked in the description box. I got this one off of Amazon, and I do believe they come in different sizes, so I am able to get in this bag 2 7-foot trees and then 1 3-foot tree plus like 4 strands of garland or something like that. So it is really big, and it holds a lot of stuff. But we're going to move on to the cleaning motivation now, so if you still have some things on your to-do list to tackle today, then clean along with me.
love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
I cannot even describe how satisfying it was to finally get rid of all of that flocking, and there were so many pine needles on the carpet too. I should have showed you guys what the inside of the vacuum cleaner looked like after I vacuumed all that up, because it was truly a mess. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that it gave you motivation. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my internet family, and I'll see you guys again really soon with a brand new one. Bye guys!
It seems like you
like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right.